Hello, beautiful people. This is Nandini Anand. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. Your way back to Nairobi from Masai Mara, you can find this beautiful gift shop in Narok County. If you are looking for something interesting to shop in Kenya, this is the best place. Buying souvenirs is not just about memories, it's also about buying the best from your vacation spot and something which is unique and special to that place only. When it comes to shopping, you would like to know that where you can buy exclusive things and what would be its prices. So here the things are very exclusive, and you can also find stuffs which are symbolizes the Kenya's rich heritage and culture. The prices are about from a starting range from $50 to $5,000 depending on what you pick. So while you are in Kenya, you don't have to worry anymore. Be it a crazy shopping spare in the air-conditioned and flashy malls or the bargain hubs of local street markets, we have got you covered. While you are wondering about Kenya's specialty to gift to your friends and family back home and even buy some for yourself, take a look at these beautiful stuffs in this shop. There are abundance of stuffs here which you can truly go crazy shopping. Ranging from unique African jewelries to home decor items, etc. If you're also looking for something for your office lobby or hotel lobby, even that is available here. Very beautiful and unique stuffs. You can buy the best traditional Kenyan gifts for your loved ones. Wooden toys, beautiful warrior masks, paintings, etc. are available in the store in unique and very different ranges, and you can find a lot of souvenirs which are very colorful and interesting. The Goody Africans Interiors and Gift Shop is a great place to start your shopping. Traditional sculptures such one as depicting the big five lion, buffalo, elephant, rhino and leopard are a good choice no matter what size. Giraffes are an especially popular choice, but they tend to be very large, some of them up to 10 feet. So you could have planned to be shipping well in advance. 3 types of woods traditionally used for wood carvings: mango trees, neem tree and ebony. Ebony is rarer and more expensive, so if you are looking for something in budget, then look for other 2 options which are lighter in both color and weight. Akonke carvings are considered the best and are made using the impingo or African blackwood. They are usually in the form of animals or human figures. Because of their price and quality, carvings are sold at fine galleries and shops in the city. Also find this beautiful green beaded jewelry here and also other stuffs made out of the same material. The necklaces and bracelets made of beads have a special significance to the Maasai people, who use different colors and combinations to symbolize power, beauty and love. For example, red bead symbolizes power and blood, a color to fit the warriors, while the green symbolizes fertility and prosperity, good for women. Beads are available in a number of forms. Necklaces are the most common, but you can find them like bracelets too, and earrings, chokers and other products. You can also find beautiful chest boards, cutleries, etc. made out of wood here. Tiny show pieces too in colorful wood work. Whether you are visiting Nairobi for the first time, are a regular visitor, or if you are a Kenyan, then you will want to visit to the shops at some point or the other. Most tourists visiting Kenya and Nairobi in particular will often go for the souvenirs, while the Kenyan locals will be spotted shopping for everything from clothes to toys to artifacts. If you are looking for colorful, beautiful and affordable souvenirs to take back home, this is the best place to shop. There are lots of Maasai markets all over Nairobi, but this particular place is the best place where you can choose lots and lots of options to shop. Some of the items you can expect to find here includes African painting, African materials for making a manner of clothes, African pots, pans, curios, jewelry, bags, shoes, utensils, etc. You can almost find all kinds of unique African artifacts in this place. Looking further, you can also find beautiful wall hangings, hand-woven goods, soft leather goods, ceramics, baskets, wooden bowls, bold patterned clothing, carpets, curtains, home decors, jewelries, etc. Quality of the items are exceptional and very high quality, and you will get the value for your money. Tourists from all over the world come to this gift shop to pick unique souvenirs to take back home as a bunch of memory in time spent in Kenya. Next time you are in Kenya, make it a point to visit this gift shop in Narok County so that you can pick your favorite souvenirs back home as a memory of visit to Kenya. So this was my today's video. Hope you enjoyed shopping in Kenya. Stay tuned with Fashion and Lifestyle. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Take care. Bye.